So just a quick video on this wireless charger that I got for the phone. This is supposed to be used in cars, but I like the design on it. So I picked it up. Let me just have a look at this. So wireless charging module. So this uses power delivery via the Type-C port, and it allows you to charge your mobile phones wirelessly. Now the design on this is made for a car, so it's got a rubber surface, and on the back it's got, you can see the coil there, you can see it in there, and you can get this in Type A version and also in Type-C version. So I've got the Type-C one. I'm going to plug this into a power delivery port, and it does up to 15 watts on the Samsung phones. So let's go ahead and plug this in, and let's see if this charges. Doesn't seem to be working. Oh, there we go, it does work. Fast charging. Okay, so let's see if we put this like that. Okay, a little bit lower. Let's see like this. Yeah, okay, it does work. I think it was a USB. Let me try that back in the other port. Okay, that USB port probably doesn't have power delivery, but it does have 20 watts going out. So yeah, I mean, it does say that it does have a power delivery, but it doesn't seem to be working with this one. So let's try this with a laptop. I'm actually going to plug this into a laptop which has 15 watts of power on the USB port. Okay, that sticky, that does not want to move, so that's pretty nice. Okay, that doesn't work either actually. So let's try a different port. Okay, so I plug that into a 65 watt port, and that does charge. Let's see if this works the other way around. Should do it. Okay, it doesn't work the other way around. I don't know how this whole thing works, so I'm just guessing over here, but maybe it's not working at all. Oh no, it does charge. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll make a jump cut, and I'll let you know how it goes, how fast it charges, whether it's good or not. I'll actually put this to the side over here, and yeah, so it doesn't work on the 20 watt port, neither does it work on the 15 watt. So I've plugged it into a 65 watt, and it seems to be working. So unfortunately you won't be able to plug it into a laptop or something, even if it has power delivery going out. But it does up to 15 watts on the Samsung Galaxy phones, and yeah, it seems to be working. So I'll give you guys an update on how this goes. Okay, so I've been using this wireless charging pad for a couple of weeks now, and I've got one slight bad thing to say about this, and that's nothing against the charging pad or anything. It's just the design of this technology. So on the back of the phone and also on the charging pad, it gets a bit warm, even though this is just 15 watts. I would have liked it to be a little bit slimmer, but I don't mind. It's been working perfectly fine. I can't say anything bad about it. It's just really nice. Now the charging speeds are going to be slower than using wired, obviously, but because when I'm at the desk, I just put my phone on this, and then it charges. So it's really cool. I have it on the side of the desk. I'm just going to move it back there, and yeah, I do recommend it. I can't find anything bad to say about it. It works really well. Yeah, it's just really nice.